So, Corona times, desperate times. Stuck in the house or apartment all day. Today's Saturday, and in order to cheer myself up, I'm gonna cook a nice meal. Today I'm gonna sous vide these T-bones. The meat is from Botswana. This is grass-fed beef, no hormones and no antibiotics, so very clean meat. I've got my Nova cooker here. I put it on 54.5 degrees, going for a medium rare. Time to prep these beauties. I'm gonna remove them from the vacuum packaging that they were kept in. These are aged T-bones, so we'll see what we can expect from them in terms of flavor. I'm gonna start by just making it really easier. Salt, pepper, Alright, so I'm gonna vacuum seal the steaks in these plastic bags. I'm gonna show you how. I'm taking the steak, I'm putting it
Pappa, kan du
in the
inte göra
plastic
några
bag.
videos på svenska? För att Vinny och sådär ska förstå.
Soaking it in the water, and the water pressure creates a nice little vacuum, and then I'm gonna have to seal it. Eva, kan du ge mig en sån klämma? 2 stycken.
Klämma.
Beautiful.
Pappa, varför behöver du 2 till den? Varför inte
En
bara
till
en?
nästa boss också.
Jaha.
You think this is gonna be enough? It's gonna sink. All right, let's pop these T-bones in the water. And the key now here is that they are not supposed to float, so I'm gonna have to redo this one. It's not vacuumed enough. There's not enough vacuum in the bag. This one is a little better, but actually I'm gonna redo that one as well. Okay, I redid the vacuum, the water pressure vacuuming of the steaks, and let's see if they sink a little better this time. Oh yes, a lot better. It's submerged. This one is also submerged. Perfect. Now we're just gonna leave them in there for about 2 hours. So while the steaks are cooking, we have time to do a lot of other fun stuff, like laundry. Right, kids?
Vinny, hoppas du kollar. Alltså, för vi gör den bästa videon som finns. Den är bäst. Hoppas du kollar. Vinny, tryck. Vinny, snälla tryck. Och kan du lära mig engelska, snälla? Vinny. Jag älskar dig, Vinny.
Kom, nu går vi upp till... With the steaks, I think we're gonna make a few roasted potatoes and carrots to go with.
Yummy.
Yeah, so my kids made
Look.
Hammentaschen today. These are our cookies that you bake for the Jewish holiday Purim.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're supposed to look like ears.
Papa,
I
kolla.
think they sort of
Papa,
look
kolla.
like bursted
Filma mig.
buttholes, but
Papa,
why
filma
not?
mig. Pappa, filma mig. Filma mig.
Good?
Yeah.
Pepper. And of course, some oil. Let's push it all. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. All right. Let's put it in. So, with the steaks, one of the condiments or that I really love, I love these Israeli pickles. Super delicious. Dijon mustard is of course a must when you're having steak. All right, so let's see how these steaks have fared in the water. Ooh. See, there's some jus in the bottom of the bags. As you can see now, these steaks are looking extremely dull in terms of color, which is why in a minute we're gonna sear them in a really hot cast iron pan. Let's see how that's gonna work out. Okay, it's time to sear these steaks, and I think it's gonna smoke like crazy when we put these in. I'm using no fat because they're really fatty in itself. Yum. Let's see, about 60 seconds on each side. Time to turn. See if we have got any color. Right. A little bit. Make sure that every corner. Right, this one's done. Let's do the next. Okay, let's see how these look on the inside. I hope they're cooked right, but you never know. Look at that. Perfection. Dinner time.
Så, titta.
Jag med. Ja.
Post-dinner and our Saturday night candy tray. We have popcorn, French nougat, mixed candies, Kinder Surprise, salt licorice, and some crunchy, it's called dime. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a crunchy toffee. It's very good. Let's see what the kids think. Okay, här kommer godiset.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god!